digital signal. Digital signal is a signal that only have two states, which is high and low. We also known as high equal to 1 and state low equal to 0. For this system, it doesn't have any value of range, which will indicate the signal is analog signal. It means we use a digital signal in this system. For example, this system we use two LED and buzzer, which use digital signal. Also, analog signal is a signal that changes continuously and the signal looks like a wave. We also have ADC and PWM. What is ADC? ADC is an analog to digital converter. It used to convert analog signal into digital value. Arduino Uno has an 10-bit ADC resolution with the input range around 0V to 5V and the output digital value around 0 to 1023. The ultrasonic sensor doesn't use ADC because it gives digital impulse. If temperature sensor or ADR used, then ADC would be used. We also have the PMW and known as pulse wave modulation. Pulse wave modulation is used to stimulate analog output using digital signals. It turns on and off very fast by changing on time, where we control LED brightness, buzzer intensity, motor speed. We also get the Arduino PMW range equal to 0 to 255.